In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Forms to your virtual appointments and Microsoft bookings in just 5 minutes. This process is a great way to streamline your scheduling and ensure you gather all necessary information from your clients before your meetings. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open Microsoft Forms. Head over to your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Forms website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with an interface that allows you to create new forms or work with existing ones. This tool is incredibly versatile, allowing you to craft custom forms that fit your specific needs. Now that you're in Microsoft Forms, it's time to decide whether to create a new form from scratch or use one of the provided templates. Templates can be a time saver as they give you a starting point, but creating a form from scratch offers maximum customization. Choose the option that best suits your requirements. Next, it's time to add questions to your form. Think about the information you need from your clients before their appointments. This could include questions about their preferences, concerns, or any specific details relevant to your meeting. Carefully crafting these questions is crucial as they set the stage for a productive appointment. Once you've drafted your questions, ensure that essential ones are marked as required. Toggle the switch that sets questions as mandatory to ensure clients cannot submit the form without providing answers. This feature is particularly useful for gaining critical insights and ensuring nothing vital is overlooked. After you're satisfied with your form, it's time to collect responses. Simply click on the Collect Responses button, and you'll receive a link to your form. Copy this link as it will play a critical role in the next step. The last step involves weaving this link into your appointment confirmation or reminder emails. Within Microsoft Bookings or virtual appointments, find the setting where you can edit the email templates. Here, you'll integrate your form link, guiding clients to complete it ahead of their scheduled time with you. This modicum of preparation can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your meetings, and just like that, you've successfully integrated Microsoft Forms into your scheduling workflow. This integration ensures a seamless communication pipeline between you and your clients, while also capturing necessary details up front. By following these steps, you'll likely find that your virtual appointments and bookings run smoother and are more tailored to your clients' needs. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to revisit any section you need a refresher on. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your virtual appointments.